Happy fall, y'all! Robin DeMarco here, personal trainer and nutrition coach. And if you like what you see here today, please follow me on YouTube and check out robindemarcofitness.com. So, it's pumpkin season time, which means pumpkin everything! So I'm going to teach you how to make a keto, low-carb pumpkin custard. Super easy. And I got everything ready for you. So this is a can of pumpkin puree. Has no spice or anything like that. Just plop that in the blender. I love using the blender just because you can mix everything up at once, but you can also use hand mixers. So 2 full eggs. There we go. This is a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. If you want to make this vegan, you can, well, I guess you can't make it vegan because it has eggs, but you can also make this with coconut cream too. And as my wonderful assistant is pointing out, the oven is set for 350, preheated already, unless he was showing the towels, I'm not sure. Which also I make, and those are my towels. Okay, so this is Swerve. It's an alternative sugar. It's right here. Okay, and that is what's going to make it keto, so you won't have those glycemic spikes. And I've got a combination of the brown and white Swerve. Put that in there, and this is 3/4 cup. And lastly, we have a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and a teaspoon of this awesome vanilla powder. You can also use vanilla extract. All right, now here comes the part we're gonna mute probably because it's super loud.
This is some of the lingua franca of the funk business.
We have a buttered pie dish, okay, lightly buttered, and underneath it is a bath. So the bath is gonna help the custard cook evenly in the oven. So just put about 1 inch of water in there. Okay, you can also use this with a souffle dish, which is probably what you're supposed to use, but I don't have one. Oh boy, this is thick. Let's see. Well, I did say custard. Okay, so now we've got our custard ready to go. I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 40 minutes. Be careful, you don't want to spill that water. See you back here in 40. And we're back. So I took this out of the oven actually in 45 minutes. It needed a little bit more. And the way you can tell, it's kind of like you would with a pumpkin pie. It comes out clean with using a knife. Just be super careful when you take it out of the oven because it's got that hot water underneath. So you can eat this warm. You can put it in the fridge and chill it. Have it with some whipped cream. And again, if you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel. I will put this recipe in the bio in my YouTube channel and also where you can get these wonderful tea towels. Yay! Happy fall, y'all! Bye, Mr. Pumpkin!